Hi everybody, this is Mike from Arcan Trailer. Today I'm going to show you the new Lacrosse 2911 RB. So that of course stands for rear bath. But before we head inside and check that out, I want to show you a couple cool things here on the outside. Right off the bat, you'll notice a nice full power awning throughout the whole length of the trailer. Frameless windows, high gloss gel coat on the exterior fiberglass, give you that nice sheen. Front pass-through storage, power tongue jack up front. Comes standard with two 30-pound propane tanks. Power jacks front and rear. Painted front cap up front. Cool little feature right here as well. Outside fridge. Okay. Friction hinge door. And we'll head inside and check it out. So the RB, of course, is rear bathroom. So you have the nice big sliding door right at the back. Huge washroom, nice residential style sink, steel fixtures, big cabinetry, medicine cabinet, everything. One piece shower with tub surround. Electric fan, more storage here. Right when you walk in, you got a nice big pantry. Tons of storage space. TV right across from your seating. This is a sofa bed. So if you had some company, you could flip that right out. Electric fireplace, so that's 5,000 BTUs of heat. Acts just like a space heater if you wanted to save some propane. Electric fridge. So this is a residential style fridge. You'll notice it's quite a bit bigger than in a standard RV fridge. This was designed especially for an RV. So with two batteries, 6-volt batteries up front, plus the rest of the trailer running, you could run for over 2 days. If you throw a solar panel up top, you could run even longer. So that's nice to have. Convection microwave. Nice big Furion range top. Corian countertops. Stainless steel sink. Okay. U-shaped dinette. That'll of course fold down into a nice big bed as well. Nice private master bedroom. So queen bed. Closets on either side. There are outlets on either side if you need to plug anything in. Reading lights underneath. Space to put your glasses, your book, phone, whatever. TV bracket as well if you decided you want to put a small TV in here. Okay, a little bit of storage under the bed. And I think that about does it for the Lacrosse 2911 RB. I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer, and I'll catch